Every bottle of Coca-Cola begins its journey in one of the world's most advanced bottling facilities. Carefully sourced ingredients arrive under strict food safety controls. Every shipment is inspected before entering production.
Purified water forms the foundation of every bottle.
Food-grade sugar is carefully transferred into hygienic storage. Every ingredient is stored under carefully controlled conditions. Each ingredient must pass rigorous quality tests before production.
Automated systems deliver ingredients with exceptional precision.
The production line prepares for another day of continuous bottling.
With ingredients ready, the bottles begin their journey through the production process. Every bottle is thoroughly washed before entering production.
Advanced sterilization ensures every bottle meets strict hygiene standards.
Automated inspection guarantees only perfect bottles continue.
Precise alignment keeps production running efficiently. Purified water is carefully prepared before mixing. Precision-controlled mixing creates the base syrup.
Flavor ingredients are blended with exceptional accuracy.
Continuous testing maintains consistent taste and quality.
Automated systems transfer the finished syrup to the next stage.
With bottles prepared and syrup approved, everything is ready for carbonation and filling. Carbon dioxide gives Coca-Cola its signature refreshing sparkle. Every batch is monitored to maintain consistent carbonation. High-speed filling technology delivers precise volume into every bottle.
Every bottle receives the exact amount of Coca-Cola.
Caps are automatically sorted and positioned for sealing. Every bottle is securely sealed to preserve freshness and carbonation. Advanced inspection systems verify every seal. Advanced inspection systems verify every seal. Precision labeling gives every bottle its instantly recognizable appearance. Each bottle receives a unique production code for complete traceability. With production complete, every bottle now undergoes rigorous quality inspection.
Every bottle is inspected by advanced vision systems before packaging. Every bottle is inspected by advanced vision systems before packaging.
Any bottle that fails inspection is automatically removed from production. Manual verification complements automated inspection for maximum quality assurance. Automated systems organize bottles into retail-ready multi-packs. Automated systems organize bottles into retail-ready multi-packs. Automated packaging prepares Coca-Cola for retail distribution. Robotic palletizers stack cartons quickly and accurately. Protective wrapping keeps every shipment stable during transport. Finished products are carefully stored until shipment. Production is complete, and the finished Coca-Cola is now ready for distribution. Finished products leave the warehouse for distribution. Every shipment is carefully loaded for safe transportation. Digital tracking ensures complete product traceability. After passing every quality check, Coca-Cola begins its journey to customers. A global logistics network delivers Coca-Cola efficiently across the region. Regional distribution centers prepare products for local delivery. Every bottle represents precision, quality, and an extraordinary manufacturing journey. From carefully selected ingredients